What's up? It's your boy SSI Native, and behind me we have my friend's stock ass 350Z. As you can see, it's kind of hard because he parked sideways right on my damn driveway. This is Instagram. There's the face behind the wheel. Tell him what you done to it, dude.
I mean, it has custom bumpers, APR, wing. It's still a white pipe, you know. It just has tips, colorful tips. It's all. It's paint. Soon I'll get some rims, some wheels. Thinking of Yokohamas and some inspired TE37s. Maybe a little, you know, I was thinking maybe a little one float lover right here too.
What do you mean, like a?
You know that one single lover that'll just pop out?
Like the wind one that comes out like that?
I'm thinking of that. I might install a diffuser today, right here. It's gonna be really JDM. It's gonna be popping in. It's specifically for this. It's called Street Arrow, and yeah, I'm saving up. Almost done with bags. I got the bags and I just need the 3P and the tank compressor. That's it.
You got the big baller out here with the working race car.
Nah, not even.
And then the broke wannabe baller with the broken race car.
Nah, you're just in the hospital.
Yeah, he's in the hospital. He's visiting the boy, the ER.
Yeah.
So American Muscle, JDM, completely different kind of cars, but same passion. But we're about to go right now, pick up his diffuser, go to the shop. I forgot the name of the shop, but we're gonna go to the shop.
Twinkies.
And then the guy who owns the shop likes Twinkies, so we're about to probably go get him some Twinkies before we go.
Yep.
And basic as the owner, society, ripping the club. Let me go to mine so you can see that one.
Be a gentleman.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead out there, and then we'll catch up with you guys after that. We're looking for Twinkies right now, but we can't find none.
Dude, this sucks.
Where the Twinkies at?
Twinkie better be looking at this.
Where's the Szechuan sauce, Marty?
We're trying to look for your Twinkies, man. I'm sorry, Javier. I don't know if I could get you some Twinkies today.
I don't think there's any. Getting it, boy! What's up, guys? So we're at the shop. It's kind of hard to hear because they're working on cars in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and walk around and show you guys what they're working on right now.
Yeah, it doesn't.
But that's how we built it.
Yeah, I love
Customer wanted it to be nice and sleepy. No one would know the difference. Yeah. That makes a little over 700.
Yeah, that makes sense, dude. This is
What do you say, a little over 700?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, it's on the E85.
Looks sleeper, though.
Then you pop the hood, you're like, it looks stock and dirty.
Yeah.
How much power does it have? It's been fun. But that's the reason why the custom Millwood 14-inch brakes that are on it. You gotta look at the brakes. They barely fit the wheels.
Oh, God. Willwoods? These are huge. Dude, yeah, it's huge brakes on it.
Yeah, when I designed the bracket for it, it clears the wheel about that much.
By a hair, basically?
Yeah, you can actually see where it rubbed just a little bit before he settled it in.
Yeah, this is the shop. This guy just said this car has 700 horse. It's on Willwood brakes, which of course you're gonna need good ass brakes if you're pushing that much horse. But it's crazy because it looks stock. You know, it looks stock, but this thing will blow the doors off of my car. and definitely one of the sickest 300ZXs I've seen. I can dig the all blacked out look, and believe it or not, I'll go into a story of how this car was going to be my first car. Not specifically this black one, you know, but a 300ZX. I'll go into that after we get out of the shop because it's kind of loud in here. So then once we're out, I'll go ahead and talk more about that.
That's a before pick.
All right, let's go. Dude, we've done. But back to the story about the 3000 or 300ZX. It almost was my first car. I went to a tow yard when I was 16 years old with my dad, and because that's where I used to buy cars at when I was younger, and we saw a white 300ZX there, and I fell in love with it. Gold wheels, dropped. I had an amp, had speakers. It was nice. It was the twin turbo version, so it was quick, and he didn't want me to get it just because it was boosted, and so I ended up getting it. It was cheap. I remember it was like $1,600 and it ran. It was just impounded, so the guy couldn't pay to get it out or whatever. But so I ended up getting it.
What do you mean by tilted? Now you're scaring me. That's good, right?
Right there. Don't move it. Just hold it.
All right.
All right, you can drill now, dude.
Go ahead. Ah, my finger.
It's going through?
It's not going through the top. How thick is that?
Your brains are coming home from the fire. You were out there chopping?
Yeah, you're hitting the bumper.
It's going through now?
It should. Yeah, I hear it.
You hear everything crack? Watch.
The problem is because it's fiberglass.
Yeah.
I just need it right there.
Twink, he'll have a look at it later on. Hola.
You can let go.
Wet. Did it go in?
It pops out because it doesn't drill all the way through the whole thing.
Sounds like it's going in now.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
It needs a little
I heard
bit more.
a little bit.
cracking.
Just gotta like re-drill it.
You good?
No, it needs like a tiny bit more. It's not going all the way through flush.
Yeah, I feel it now. I feel the tight. Do a little more.
Might have been in it right there.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, she's tight.
Yeah, just need the hole first and then you go through. Yeah, it's tight.
Perfect. So I was thinking, then we'll start putting all the other ones. Now that this is placed, it'll be easier.
The bumper isn't here.
Yeah, see, now that it's like this,
Where's the bumper start?
put the fin on this side and just drill it in like that. Because that's already holding it in place.
You can't drill with the fin though. There's no, you can't fit the drill because it hits on the side. No, it doesn't go. I'm saying we're gonna have to re-drill all this.
Here,
I'm saying the drill doesn't.
can
You
you
can't
get-
drill with
Can
it
you get
there.
5 and 4 for me?
This one?
Yeah, 5 We got 6.
We don't need those right now, though. We need the screws.
No, I want to just measure how they're gonna. Wait. So you said they're gonna be like this? No, wait. This is number 4, right?
It's 5.
This dude's straight crazy. Balls out on a bunch of parts and then comes out to the boys and has
them install it.
Has us install it.
And install it himself.
They're helping us. I mean, they're helping me. What the heck?
Nah, this boy. The only thing he don't use us for is to pump his gas.
Whatever.
All right, has he asked you? He's asked you, huh?
He's asked me 10
You pumped his gas too? God damn it, boy. God damn. Next thing you know, he's gonna have us driving this car all the time. I mean, I ain't mad. I am mad though, cause